So Nkosi is fired, more like Uztulu Mthwalo, because he does not want to be working there anymore. But then now the problem is, yes, he has found another job, but the problem persists. Tunzi Maiza was celebrating and very jubilant that Nkosi has been fired, and now he's working on other ways of making Ubab Semiti look like he is no longer Lumuntu Abantu Abamaziyo, and he's making sure with everyone that is close by. Well, somebody had to go and give Ubab Semiti a word of advice. Good, you know what? It's like you're throwing everyone around you who loves you and cares for you because of Lonyana Ofige Manj. Now, obviously, we do not have the evidence or the DNA that actually proves ukuthi lo ngonyana wakho straight, but there you are, you're choosing him in front of everyone that has been there for you for decades, and then now you're just running with somebody who doesn't know. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can already see, we're going to be reviewing Scandal, Sanbonan Abshen Molwen Minjani, Hipukale Hingongwina. So namutlaka ka nongwa hina wa Scandal hikumakora shula sabisa gangi kahle, looking at the fact that Umtunzi Maiza Nkosi yami now has changed his mind to say that Ubab Semidi needs to go to the doctor and just check if uyagula ngazongqondo. But then he says now, if you go there, you'll be giving everybody that ammunition to say velo uyagula, ngqondo yakho ayikho right, so you might as well just sit. While Khupulo was on it, he then went to tell ubani lo baba lo ukuthi I'm not the one that told Usemidi ukuthi when you were involved, but anyway Unhloso was already hired, and then he said, I'm just worried about your brother because whatever he is doing right now ngathi usengozini and he doesn't even know. Well, he decided uHopulo to go and talk to his brother, but he did not get his way because Umtunzi Maisa is like that earworm that he's always whispering things to him. Now on the other hand, speaking of children, my twins. So the other one had hiccup. Now, now it's like the traditional way of dealing with kids and the new way, modern way of dealing with kids now clashing. Umntwana nama hiccup bese omunye decide ukuthi njengesidala you're gonna uzothela mare mo pampiring ube mo tlhogong ya ngwana, and then the hiccups are gone. But then now the mother's like, no, that's so unhygienic. Manje on the other hand, uDintle uhlaseliwe. Yeah, well, uPotsotso just had to let everything out, and unfortunately he let it out kusam kuNtutuko who's uNtutuko nje unenkinga une problem. Kuyabonakala ukuthi uNtutuko has anger inside him because utshela ubaba wakhe ukuthi lalela uqale walala naloya mntombazana manje sekuDintle. Who's going to be next?